Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review a mini keyboard. So this is the keyboard which I have received to review. It comes in this small box, pretty small actually. And looking at it, so it shows product color, so there's nothing, no crossing anywhere. So black, gray or white, English, German, French, Italian, Spanish. And yeah, let's just open it up and see what we have got in here. There we go. Pretty tight package. Well, let me try to. There we go. So finally, let's open the box, and well, that's it. So it comes with this user manual, and it explains the different functionalities. So indicator, so there are a couple of different lights, Bluetooth light, caps lock or battery status. Turn on the keyboard, so there's a button apparently. Press FN or function +1. Basically these two buttons together for 3 seconds until the Bluetooth light blinks, entering the Bluetooth 1 pairing. Pretty cool. So this one is actually the function button with number 1 for the Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2. So it can be connected to 2 devices at the same time. And then basically pretty standard just to configure. So it's just showing the Apple, but I assume can be used for Windows as well. So go to settings, general keyboard. You can choose the keyboard, the hardware configuration, and it's a UK keyboard apparently. And special characters can be also set, and when the battery is low it starts blinking slowly. Can't find the wireless keyboard on your device? Please reset the keyboard to factory settings. So it just says how to do it. Well, quite easy to comprehend, I think. So let's open it up. These plastics are so tiny nowadays. I mean, like when you open it, it's like the whole thing tears apart. So now, this is the keyboard, how it looks like. Actually pretty small, really cool. Nice quality as well. It's like a plastic sort of quality. And it has a kind of magnet in here. So it looks like this, really small. And there we go. That's how it looks like. Really nice. Here there's also kind of flap. We can open it. And in that case, the keyboard can be used like this. Quite interesting looking keyboard. It has a lot of reflections actually from everywhere, but I must admit that I have not seen something like that. Quite cool. I'm not sure what's the quality of this, but looks like a paper to me, and yeah, but feels quite good. The only problem I can see here is the reflection. So when I'm looking from a 30-degree angle in here, so it's actually reflecting quite a lot, so making it a bit hard to see. So I assume if it's really bright somewhere, or if you're under the sun in a cafe or something, probably you may not see the keys properly. But fine. Quite strong keys, I would say. When you press it in one corner, that's what I always check with the keyboards. You see the entire area around it goes down. Well, someone may debate and say, okay, this is a keyboard for the iPad or a tablet, so it doesn't need to be like super strong. Fine, I personally prefer something more strong. It pretty much has all the function keys, so pretty standard. It's actually it's a German keyboard, quite interestingly. So it's a German keyboard, but the description is alright. So it could be that because this was the English description, so it shows the UK. Let's have a look at the other keyboard. Yes, that's correct. So the German version of the instructions, actually it is showing the German keyboard. Great, so fine. Perhaps the English version also could have been with the German layout, because you are not dealing with 2 different products. So that's something probably could be improved. Other than that, so you have the tabs, the tab key, the caps lock, pretty standard. You have the option and command. Okay, so it could be used for Mac or Windows. You can see, so on Mac is called option, on Windows called Windows key, on Mac is called command, on Windows it's called alt. Same thing, so they have it for both sides. You also have a delete button, that's good. And yeah, pretty standard keyboard, pretty cool actually. So what I like is that it doesn't lock you into a specific size. So if your iPad is a bit bigger, so it could fit in here, it doesn't matter how big or small. One thing which could have been perhaps a little bit improved is this one in here, which is hanging here. And other than that, really cool. I think nice product. I like it. Hope you liked it as well. If so, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. I always have new products on daily basis to review. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you and bye bye.